That's your treat. Put it in the basket. Good job. Can you find some more eggs? Is that another one? Good job. Put it in the basket. More treats. Whoa. More treats. Look at them all. Put them in the basket, Cameron. Put them all in the basket so you can find more. Good job. Now find some more. Is that another one? What's that? More treats. Oh. Whoa. There's more. Let's go put them in the basket. What's that? More treats. Good job. Oh, ouch. Did you hit your head? Oh. Some more treats? Yes? You found it! Oh. Yeah! Is that your new bike?
Yes.
Did the Easter Bunny bring you a bike? Thank you, Bunny. You're welcome, yes. You go find the treats. Two more! Two more treats? Wow. Lots of treats, hey. That bunny gave you lots of treats. You gonna find all the treats? Find them all. Is that another one? Two more? Whoa! I think your basket's getting full. Did the Easter Bunny bring you a ball too?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Ball.
The bunny brought you a ball?
Yes.
What else did he bring you? A bike?
Yes.
And treats?
Yes.
Thank you, Bunny. Hey, Cameron, can you say hi to Uncle Dylan? Say hi. Look at the camera and say hi. Cameron. Way too much going on. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Love you.
No kisses.
Dad, love you.
Bye.
No kisses?